Windows Millennium Edition makes it easy to get your pictures from cameras and scanners onto your PC. You can easily organize these images on your hard drive and share them with your friends and family via email or the web. I just bought a new digital camera last week and captured a few pictures. It's a USB camera, so I'll plug the camera's connector right into the USB port on my PC. Before Windows Me, when you wanted to connect a digital camera to a PC, you'd first have to install new software and drivers. But as you can see, Windows Me automatically identifies the camera, then launches a helpful wizard that guides you through the process of accessing the pictures. In the past, if I wanted to look at pictures on my PC, I had to download all the pictures off the camera. With Windows Me, I can view thumbnails of the pictures on the camera without downloading them to my PC. From this screen, I can learn more about the picture, like when it was taken and how large it is. I don't have to download all of these pictures either. By holding down the Shift key and highlighting the images, I can select what I want to download. The wizard also makes it easy to organize photos on my hard drive. Here, I'll select a basic name for this group of images, and the images will be sequentially numbered automatically. Then I just choose a folder on my PC and click Finish to save. Notice how My Pictures is the new default folder for images, just like My Documents is for documents. Now that the pictures have been saved to my PC, I no longer need to go into a separate application to view or print them. I can just use Windows Explorer. From this view, I can look at the thumbnails and enlarge them for closer viewing. From here, I can easily email these images to friends. If I want to send one to my grandmother, who doesn't have a PC, I can also print the image from here. Now, suppose I have some friends over, and I want to show them all my vacation photos in this folder. Rather than having to open and close each picture individually, I can easily create a slideshow of all the pictures for my friends to view. As you can see, Windows Me makes it very simple for a user to plug in a camera or scanner and retrieve or manipulate their pictures directly. This is made possible by Windows Image Acquisition Technology, or WIA, the next generation of imaging device support for the Windows operating system. Another great feature is that other applications can easily use these images as well. Before, if I created a document and wanted to include a picture from the camera, I would have needed to save the picture from the camera to the PC and then import the picture into my Word document. But with Windows Me, I can import the picture directly from the camera into my Word document without needing to save it to my hard drive first. If I wanted to include my pictures as an email attachment, I could do the same thing with Outlook or another email application. As you can see, Windows Me and Windows Image Acquisition makes it easy to get images from your camera or scanner, organize those images on your PC's hard drive, and share the images with family and friends.